Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to use Uniswap with Metamask Mobile. Alright, so this is a very simple and direct procedure. What you'll do is quite simple. Over here on your Metamask, click on this browser option here. So as you can see, the browser option is a fourth option from the first one. So you click on that browser option. So once you click on that browser option, come to search bar over here. Then input the following address. The address is https://uniswap.org. So click on that and then enable it to run. So as you can see, the address has started running. So let's be patient until it's done running. So the address is now running in the background. If you don't see it running right away, you can click over here and then repaste the address, then click on search. So in most cases, the address may take long to load, but it will later on load. Right, so let me repeat it once again. Paste the address, then click on search. Alright, so now the address is running. As you can see, it's now loading up the uniswap.org. Okay, so from this, as you can see, if you want to connect your Uniswap to your Metamask wallet, click on connect over here. So once you click on connect, you'll be asked to connect on which wallet. So for this case, I'll be connecting on my Metamask wallet. Click on Metamask wallet. So once you click on Metamask wallet, it will start running. Then click on connect over here. So once you click on connect, as you can see, connection is now successful. So this means our Metamask wallet is now connected to Uniswap. So you can use Uniswap to swap any coins from Metamask to any other token you want, okay, on your Metamask wallet. As you can see, now it's running. You can even swap any coins you have on your Metamask wallet. For example, I can swap from BNB to any other coin. I can choose USDC, okay, then click on confirm and then the amount will be able to show it over there. So guys, that's the simple procedure of how to do this, and I hope this video was helpful. If so, like and subscribe. Until next time, we shall meet